Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile on Vimeo, how you can edit your profile on Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to open the Vimeo website, and after that, we have to click on this profile icon. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings, we have to wait for a few seconds. And now, as you can see, now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the profile section. Here's the profile icon. So let's click on the profile, and after clicking on the profile, if you want to upload a new image, you have to click on this, and now you need to choose your image, that which image you want to upload. So for example, let's see, for example, I'm going to upload this one. So let's click on this, and now if you want to write your bio, you have to write your bio here. And now if you want to write about description, you can also write that here. And the location, you have to provide the location here, and the Vimeo URL, this is your Vimeo URL. If you want to add your website link, you can also do that. After adding these all things, you just need to click on the save, and these all things will be saved. So in this way you can change your profile, in this way you can manage your profile data. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.